Hey crew, today we're going to work on the expanded algorithm for multiplication. When we do the expanded algorithm, we're going to get several partial products and then add all those together to get our final product. So as you can see, I've color coordinated all the numbers up here, and that's going to help us to see where we're getting our partial products from. So when it comes to single digit times double digit, I always like to start with my single digit. It's just going to give me less partial products later on, and it will work out once we get into our standard algorithm in the next lesson. So I'm going to start out with my 4 here, and the first partial product we're going to get is from multiplying 4 times 8. So I'm even going to write the equation right here. We have 4 times 8, and then I'm going to write that answer directly underneath my problem. So 4 times 8 is 32. So that's my first partial product. The next part of my equation is going to have me multiplying 4 times 30. So I'm going to write that underneath here. 4 times, and this 3, since it's in the tens place, represents 30. So again, I come across, make sure to line up all my place values, and 4 times 30 is going to give me 120. When I add those two together, I'm going to get 2, 5, and 1, giving me a final product of 152. So this is the expanded algorithm using single-digit multiplication. Here's my partial products, and then this is my final product down below. Here we have another example for expanded algorithm with single-digit multiplication. I'm going to start with my single digit, and because I'm multiplying it by a 2-digit number, I know I'm going to get 2 partial products. So I'm going to start by multiplying 3 times 4. My 3 comes from down here, and I'm multiplying it by the 1s in my double-digit number up there. 4, and that is going to give me 12. Next up, I need to multiply my 3 by my 50. So I'm going to step down a row and do 3 times 50. Make sure all my place value positions are lined up. 3 times 50 is going to give me 150. I add my 2 partial products together, and that will get me my final product. So we get 2, 6, 1. 54 times 3 is 162. That, again, is another example of the expanded algorithm using single-digit multiplication.